In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify email step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the login button. Enter the email currently connected to your Shopify account, type in your password and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on My Store and then go to Manage Account. Inside the Account Settings section, look for the option to update your email address. Before making changes, Shopify may ask you to verify your password for security purposes. Enter your password and continue. Now, click on the email field and type in your new email address carefully. Double check for spelling mistakes to avoid login or notification issues later. After entering the new email, save your changes to update your Shopify account successfully. It's also a good idea to check your inbox afterward for any verification or confirmation email sent by Shopify. Keeping your Shopify email updated helps ensure you never miss important store notifications, customer messages, or account security alerts. Thanks for watching.